From cocoa farms, tea fields, dairy farms to the factory floor, this is how dairy milk chocolate, boba tea, matcha, and pancakes are made. Through precision molding, cooking, and expert packaging, these four beloved products are created in bulk for millions of people worldwide.
Sample stir complete, base 1 ready for panel.
Base manufacture.
Control, line 3 is low on parts. Reallocate.
Copy, go to line 3.
Confirm, monitor flow, keep lines continuous. Box erector fold. Product insertion. Sealing hum. Our systems monitor climate and power in real time, optimizing efficiency for a sustainable, comfortable environment. Starting the virtual process now. Pressure is stable. Now for the safety briefing. Always verify lockout procedures. Final checklist complete?
Yes, all items verified.
Seal verification?
Confirmed, all intact.
Good. Handover complete.
Coming in, clear the way. Ready, bring it forward. Setting it down now.
This one looks perfect.
Great choice.
Scanning now.
Here's my card.
Consumer feedback shows quality dips in category A.
Inputting the data now. The trend is clear.
Update the metrics for consistency.
Here's your coffee and croissant.
Thank you.
These products are essential in daily life and celebrations. Our textiles are part of every festival.
These cookies are amazing, so classic and delicious. 大好きです。このビスケットは最高。Eu adoro esses biscoitos.
Sustainable sourcing and eco-friendly manufacturing initiatives. Green system tone, recycle hum, responsibility.
This has brought us so much joy. It's so delicious. Some things never change.
Never.
Millions of people enjoying these products every single day.